Hello, today I will show you how to use the Syntec FC 60CA. Okay. Open machine. Power. Okay, machine open. So the low, you need to check this here, okay. Okay, alarm. No. Okay, press home. Press in. Press this one. Press main. Okay. Press Z access go home. Y access home. X access home. A access home. Okay. R access home. Come on, same move. This fourth access. I press. Okay. A access home finish. Okay, wait, Y access. Wait, Y access. Because we don't have installed the force access, so I just show you this. In fact, the force access seamless. You don't need use this one move motor. I just show you. Okay, finish. Machine code XYZA000. Okay. Home finish. You can press GOG. You can press X access move. X access move. Y access move. Y access move. Z access go down. Z access go down. Yes, go up. You can press open this one. The machine move more first. Okay. This is window wrong. This is okay. Cleaner. I push cleaner. Recomo. Okay. This is okay. Press. Okay. Again press. Okay. Now this is so T1. This window have T1. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6, T7, T8. So T1 this here didn't have any tool. Okay. Okay, that's the main. I will show you set the tool. press this. So the T1, T2, T3, T4. Okay. Now I will import. You can import USB. Okay, the USB and find press F2 and copy the file will go to the system. Okay. I will show you the test. Okay, press. Okay. Okay. Because this NC program will use the T8 and the T1. So I will set T1. Oh, sorry, T2 and T1. So T2 and T8. So I will set T2 and T8. Okay. Press auto. Press MPGSM. Oh, okay. Now press T2 and T8. Okay, we will set T2 and T8. Auto SM. Press start getting. Okay, the machine. You can move machine. If the machine works perfectly, okay, you can off this one. The machine will auto set T2 and T1, but T2 and T8. Okay, the machine will set. The machine will set. Okay, T2 set finish. Machine will set T8. Okay, T2 set finish. You can press main. Get up this window test hold. Press G and press Y access. We will set the work orange. You can choose MPG, you can choose XYZ. Okay, this one band. If we set this here, okay. If we set this here, okay. Go to press this one and press auto, press reset, okay. Press this one and press offset. Press this one. G54. This here 000. Press this. Press X. Press F1. Again. Yes. Press Y. Press F1. Press yes. Okay. The work origin set finish. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. You can press auto, press SM, press start, move. If the machine works perfectly, you can off this one. The machine will auto. You can press, you can set up. I will show you off this one. Machine will work. Machine will work. Okay, T8 finish. Okay, the machine will change to T2. You can press T2. Machine will change to T2. Okay, finish. Everything finish. Oh, finish. Oh, press. Okay, if you don't want to use the force access, you can press F8, F3, find 24, the force access point. This here input 0. Password is 520. Enter. Okay. It will off the force access. Okay, power off, and remove the force access. Remove the force access, and limit. Okay, remove the force access. Okay, open power. Wait. Okay, machine open. The system will don't show the A axis, force axis. Now the machine is 3 axis. Okay, you can press home, press main, press Z, Y. Wait. Z, home finish. Okay, press Y, press X, machine will move. Okay, finish. If you want to use the force access, you can press press F3, and this is 24 force access. This can input 4, enter password. Enter. Okay, for power and connect. Okay, connect. Open power. Okay, access. Okay, when the alarm, this alarm, because the X-axis move this here. Oh. Or this here, or this here, you can take. Okay, press this one. Okay, and go access to left. Okay, the alarm will home. The access. Access, force access. Okay. Okay, thank you.